Hey there! If you have a favorite lip balm tube that's stuck, jammed, or just won't twist up anymore, don't throw it out just yet. I'm going to show you how to fix it in just 1 minute. Here's what you need. Jammed lip balm, paper towel, bobby pin, toothpick, cotton swab stick. Ready? Let's go. Pop off the cap. Check the problem. Balm stuck down inside the tube. Wrap a paper towel around the base. Insert a bobby pin or toothpick into the bottom hole. Push gently. Push gently. Watch the balm move up. No bottom hole? Twist the base as far as it'll go. Tap the tube upside down against your palm. Give it a twist. See if it's working now. Still stuck? Take a cotton swab stick, remove the cotton, and use the plastic end to push the balm up from the inside. Or gently tug with tweezers just a tiny bit. Don't force it, just a gentle touch is all you need. Once the balm is back up where you want it, give it a test twist. If it's moving, you're all set. Pop the cap back on and give yourself a high five. Bonus: if your balm gets too soft or starts to melt, just pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. So next time your favorite lip balm gets stuck, don't panic. Just grab a bobby pin, paper towel, and a little patience. If you found this tip helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and keep those lips happy.